continuing. Okay, so yesterday I told you that up to 5 sums I told. Okay, now that continuation. Now question number 6. See children, question number 6. What is the solution of this? What is given the question? Okay, write the following cubes in expanded form. So whatever it is given, just you can see 2x plus 1 whole cube. In this first bit, 2x plus 1 whole cube. That means it is belongs to the one of the identity a plus b whole cube, right? So that you take that formula first. A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube equal to what formula? A cube, okay, plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Actually that is the formula, you know that. Actually another formula also there. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. Both will be same. No? Again we will multiply that. Instead of that, directly you can take like this. Okay, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So whenever you are comparing this formula, see children, if you keep in this box that formula, then easily you can understand this is the one of the concept with respect to this problem. Okay, so when you are comparing this, in the a place what is there? 2x. In b place what is there? 1. Right? Now take this a plus b whole cube. See children, that means 2x plus 1 whole cube equal to, in a cube place what you have to take? 2x. 2x whole cube plus 3a square b. 3 into a square. A square means 2x whole square into b plus 3ab square. 3 into a is how much? 2x into b square. B square means how much? 1, means 1 whole square plus b cube. So b means 1 no? Plus 1 whole cube. Okay children, just you can compare. Is it correct or not? Before expansion of this, before opening this bracket. A cube means 2x. According to this, 2x whole cube plus 3a square b. 3 into a square. A is 2x. That means 2x whole square into b. B value is 1. Plus 3a b square. 3 into a. A is how much here? 2x into b square. What is the b value? 1. That means 1 whole square. Plus b cube. B means 1 no? So that 1 whole cube. Now we can open the bracket. So you know that expansion of this 2x whole cube. That means the cube is belongs to both the numbers no? That means 2 cube. 2 cube means how much? 8. 8x cube. Okay. Plus 3 into 2x whole square. Just I told you here. Same thing. 2x whole square. That means 2 square x square. 2 square means how much? 4. 4 into x square. 4x square. Right? 4 3 are 12. 12x square into 1. That means 12x square. Plus here 3 into 2x 6x. 1 square means how much? 1. You know that. That means 6x into 1 means 6x. Plus 1 cube. 1 cube means 1 many times. If you many times and if you multiply that, then you get only 1. You know that. So that the result of 2x plus 1 whole cube is 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. Okay, now we'll see 1. This is a plus b whole cube. No? A minus b whole cube we'll see. See, according to that, some typical one problem we'll see that. See, once the last bit what is given? X minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Okay, that means fourth bit is given. What is given children? X minus 2 by 3 y. X minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. means a minus b whole cube, right? So that since or because you know the symbol a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube is equal to, what is the formula? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube. See children, be carefully remember this a minus b whole cube. Some confusion will be there. A cube minus, okay, 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, so that by using this formula, okay, we can utilize by comparison of this. In the a place, what is there? X. In the b place, 2 by 3 y. Now take this one, x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube, x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube, okay, equal to a cube. A cube means x whole cube minus 3a square b. 3a square b means 3 into a square. What is a value? X. That means x whole square into b. What is b value? 2 by 3 y. 2 by 3 y plus 3ab square plus 3 into a is how much? X. A is x, no? And b square, what is the b value? 2 by 3y. 2 by 3y is b. B square means 2 by 3y whole square minus b cube. Minus b cube means minus 2 by 3y whole cube. Now we can open this bracket, children. You know how to open these brackets. X whole cube. X whole cube means how much, children? X cube. Okay, minus x whole square means here x square. You know that. All are multiplication only, no? That means 3 into x square into 2 by 3 y. That means here cancellation is there. You can cancel 3 and 3. Then what is left here? Here x square, here 2y is there. Totally what will become? 2x square y. 2x square y. Right? Plus here. Here be carefully. 3x is okay into 2 by 3y whole square. 2 by 3y whole square means how much? 2 square by 3 square into y square. 2 square means how much? 4. 3 square means how much? 9. Just you can see the rough work. See children, just I am doing here. 2 by 3y whole square and here 3x is there. Okay, now that means just I am taking that 3, only numericals I am taking 3 into 2 by 3 whole squares. If you take that, what I told you, 2 square by 3 square. 2 square by 3 square means 4 by 9. We can cancel now. 3 in 9. How many times will be cancelled? 3 times cancel. That means what is left now? Only 4 by 3. When you are multiplying 3 into 2 by 3 whole square means 4 by 9. You are getting the result 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into what is left here? Here x is there, y square is there. Right? That means 4 by 3 x y square plus 4 by 3 x y square minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Cube is given. Here square means you are taking the 4 by 9 because of 2 square by 3 square. But 2 by 3 whole cube. That means 2 cube by 3 cube. Right? 2 cube means how much? 8. 3 cube means how much? 27. That means minus 8 by 27 into y cube. So that this is the result of this question. So that this result is belongs to x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube equal to x cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 x y square minus 8 by 27 y cube. Just to check it, this result is it correct or not? By opening all these brackets, just you can identify, no problem at all. x whole cube means x cube minus 3 into x square into 2 by 3y. Yeah, 3 cancel, remaining 2x square y. Okay, plus 3x into 2 by 3 whole square means 4 by 9. I done here calculation, just you can see 3 into 2 by 3 whole square I wrote here. 2 square by 3 square means 4 by 9. 3 I cancelled in 9 3 times. Totally 4 by 3. So multiplication of these numericals. Okay, you are getting that 4 by 3. What are the variables here? Here is x. Here y whole square, no? That means y square. Totally 4 by 3 x y square. That I wrote here. Minus 2 by 3y whole cube. That means 2 cube by 3 cube. Means 8 by 27 y cube. 2 cube means 2 into 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. So that this is the result of this question. So that be careful, remember. This is the a plus b whole cube. This is the a minus b whole cube. Right, children? I'll be continue that. See, children, I'm explaining the next problem. Seventh problem. Evaluate the following using sortable identities. See, one of the bit, suppose 102 whole cube. Question number 7. Question number 7. 102 whole cube. 102 whole cube, how to expand? We can write like 100 plus 2 whole cube. This is easiest method, no, to open expansion of this. 100 plus 102 whole cube means 100 plus 2 whole cube. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Right? A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b, right, plus 3ab square plus b cube. Use this formula. By using this formula, we can get the result. So now a plus b whole cube, take this value, 100 plus 2 whole cube. That means a value is 100 and b value is 2. Now a cube means how to write? 100 whole cube plus 3a square b. 3a square b means 3 into a square. A square means how much, children? 100. No? That means 100 whole square into b. What is b value here? 2. Into 2 plus 3ab square. 3 into ab is 100 into b square. B square means 2 whole square plus b cube plus b cube. Plus b cube means b value how much? 2. That means 2 whole cube. Okay, now we can open this 100 whole cube. 100 how many times? 3 times. Easiest multiplication, you know that. In 100 2 zeros are there. Like that, how many times? 3 times. 3 2s are 6. 6 zeros. 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 3 into 100 whole square. That means 1 after how many zeros? 4 zeros. Into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 4 plus 2 cube. 2 cube means how much? 8. 2 into 2. Now we can open. First multiply these. First must simplify these two. Then at last we can see that. So this one as usual, 1 after 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3 2 are 6. 6 after how many zeros? 4 zeros. Just you count 4 zeros. It is a 60,000 or 3,000 not necessary. Okay, na? We are not taking the place values according to that. Okay, so counting the zeros enough. 3 2 are 6. 6 1 are 6. You know that. 6 after how many zeros? 4 zeros. Actually, it is belongs to 60,000. You know that. plus 3 4s are 12. 12 into 100, 1200, right? Plus 2 cube. 2 cube means how much, children? 8. See, all are additional, right? So that we can add. Here you can take the rough work, take the rough work column, okay. Then we have to add 1 after 6 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, next number 60,000 is there. 60,000, 60,000. Next how much? 1200. You know that how to write 1200. Next number is how much? 8. Add these all numbers. 8, okay, 0, 2, here 1, here 6, here 0, here 1. So what is the result? 1 0 6 1 2 0 8. So before confirmation of this answer, just once you check it here, whether you wrote correct or not. Here 1 after 6 zeros are there. Next one is 60,000. Places also you can see here 60,000. Next 1200. Next 8. You can see now. Here 8 will be there. Here 0. Here is 2. Here is 1. Here is 6. Here is 0. Here is 1. 1 0 6 1 2 0 8. So this is the result of the given question. Okay, children. So this is the expansion of a plus b whole cube. Still we see, children. See the next problem. In the 8th question, children, factorize each of the following. They given the 7th question and 6th question, expansions of a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Here they gave the expansion. Then which is belongs to a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, you must identify that. Okay, now see once one of the problem in the 8th question. Suppose if you take that the first bit. See what is the first bit. The first bit is given 8a cube plus b cube, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus 12ab square plus 12a square b, 12a square b plus 6ab square. See once again, check that question also. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. You must see that whenever you are having that textbook, that question is clear or not, whatever you wrote. If anything small mistake, then totally it will become mistake, you know that. See now, all the positive values only. All are positive values and two terms are perfect cube terms. You know that 8a cube is perfect cube, b cube is also perfect cube. So and also all are positive terms. Then definitely you can confirm that a plus b whole cube, right? So that whenever you taking that a plus b whole cube, children, according to a plus b whole cube, what is a and what is b we can identify. Okay, children. So that if you identify that, if you take that a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube, directly you can take it, plus b cube. Then remaining terms in that formula, what is there? Plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You can write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You can write in any manner. Before I told that a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This also same only, no. So you can utilize this formula. Okay, children. By using this formula, whether it is correct or not, that expansion must identify. Okay, take this value. These two are perfect cube, I told, no. Okay, children. So what are 8a cube? 8a cube you can write like 2a whole cube, children. 2a whole cube means what? 2 cube a cube, no? 2 cube means 8. 8a cube. Correct only, no? Plus b cube. B cube can be written as b whole cube. Just b whole cube. Only b only, no? Then we can identify that in the place of a is 2a, in the place of b is b. That identification is very important. In the place of a is 2a, in the place of b is b. Okay, so apply this formula. A cube means 2a whole cube plus b cube means b whole cube plus 3a square b. Right? That means 3 into a square. What is the a place? 2a is there. 2a whole square into b. B plus means b only is there. You can write b plus 3ab square. 3 into a. What is a value? A value is 2a and b value is b. But b whole square. Just we can identify a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now if you open this all the brackets, that means if you simplify this, is it equal to the given question or not? Just you can check it. Then only it is possible to say that a plus b whole cube. Until that you could not say that. Just you see 2a whole cube. 2a whole cube is 8 cube plus b whole cube. B whole cube means b cube plus 2a whole square. 2a whole square how much, children? 4a square. So multiply. 4 3s are how much? 12. 12a square b. There no? Plus 12a square b plus 3 into 2a, 6a. 6a into b whole square means b square only. That means 6a b square. 6a b square. So that it is confirmed this formula. No? Okay, no? So when it is confirmed, okay, then it is equal to a plus b whole cube. Here a value is 2a plus b value is b. That means 2a plus b whole cube. When you are saying that the factors 2a whole cube means 2a plus b whole cube means 2a plus b how many times? 3 times you have to multiply. That means it is belongs to 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. How many factors? They are the 3 factors. According to this question, all the 3 factors are equal. So this is the expansion of this bit. Then one typical problem we'll see that in that same Roman. What is there, see in that problem only. Suppose if you take that last problem, children, that means 5th bit. In the 8th question only 5th bit. What is given? 27p whole cube, 27p cube, 27p cube, 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 1 by 216. Okay. Next one minus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 p square, 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p plus 1 by 4 p. Then how to do? We need that perfect cubes, no, when you are taking the values. So when you are applying before that, see what are the terms given. Some terms are given negative, some terms are given positive, right? So some terms are negative, some terms are positive, and these two terms are perfect cube terms. Definitely you can say that it is belongs to a minus b whole cube. What is the formula for a minus b whole cube? A cube, you can say in this standard form, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? So we can apply that formula. According to that, we can write a minus b whole cube equal to, after that we compare, children. A minus b whole cube equal to, what is that? A cube. According to this I am writing, this is perfect cube, this is also perfect cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. So according to this formula, now we can identify according to this, a cube, first term is perfect cube, because you know that 27 is perfect cube. That means 27 you can write like 3 whole cube, no? Here p cube is given. Totally it is belongs to what? 3p whole cube. 3p whole cube minus 1 by 216. Compare with this one. 216. 216 multiples children. Actually 6 cube will come. Just we can identify. See. 216. Sixth table you do. Sum of the multiples you must know that. Okay na? So according to this, 3 6 are 18. 36 will be 6 6 are 36. Again if you take 6 table, 6 6 are 36. Again 6 table, 6 1 are 6. 6 how many times repeated? 3 times. So that 216 is the perfect cube. That means 1 by 216 no. That means what? 1 by, what will become? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 whole cube. 1 by 6 whole cube. Okay. Now we can confirm that this is a value, this is b value. Okay. Minus 3a square b. Minus 3 into a square. What is a value here? 3p. That means 3p whole square into b. What is b value? 1 by 6. Plus 3ab square. 3 into ab square. What is a value here? 3p. That means 3 into 3p into b square. B square means 1 by 6 whole square. 1 by 6 whole square. Okay. See, now we will simplify this value. When we are simplifying this, whether you will get this or not, the given question must be get. Must get it the given value. Whether you will get or not, just you will check this. See children, because of the next step is result only. Just identify 3p whole cube. 3p whole cube means it is belongs to 27p cube, because of 3 cube into p cube. 3 cube is 27 now. 27p cube. So 1 by 216 means 1 by 6 whole cube. That means 6 whole cube. 6 whole cube means 216. 1 whole cube 1 only. So that 1 by 216 minus 3a square b. 3 into this we have to see that. 3 into 3p whole square. Just that rough work we can see that. 3 into 3p whole square. 3p whole square means how much will become children? 9p square no? So 3 into 9p square into 1 by 6. Into 1 by 6. All are multiplication only no? Just you can cancel 3 in 6 2 times. So total how much you are getting? 9 by 2 p square. 9 by 2 p square. Here minus is given. Total you can say that minus 9 by 2 p square. Same only no? So this is also correct. These three are correct. Now last one you can check it. 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 whole square. See here. 3 into 3p, that we can do as usual. 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 whole square. That means 1 square by 6 square. 1 square means 1, 6 square means 36. Overall how much you will get? 1 by 36. So you know that actually you can cancel directly. 3 3s are 9, 9 in 36 4 times. Otherwise you can cancel 3 in 36 how many times? 12 times. Again this 3 in 12 how many times? 4 times. Totally you are getting that 1 by 4p. That is what? Plus 1 by 4p. It is there no? Plus 1 by 4p. Hence we can say that the given expansion is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It is equal to what? A minus b whole cube. What is a? What is a? 3p. What is b? 1 by 6. Okay. Then we can say that from this continuation children. A minus b whole cube. That means 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. This we can write 3 times. Means 3 are equal factor. 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. So This is the result of the given question. Okay, so that whenever you are confusing to simplifying these values directly, okay, now we can simplify in a rough column. By simplification of that, then easily we can understand what is the result. Okay, children. Okay, so I will be continue this after this question. What is this? After this question, you can see now. See, children, be carefully. After this, it is given verification, children, in the ninth question. Verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. And another bit, x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. That is question number 9. That's question number 9. When you are doing the solutions, see the what is the first bit. What first bit is given? X cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into what is given? X square minus xy plus y square. What they asked here? Verification, children. Verify. You should verify whether it is correct or not. Okay. What is the verification? You can see now. LHS and RHS, you should get it equally. LHS is given that x cube plus y cube. Now RH you have to simplify. By simplification of this, you have to get it this result. Simplification means general multiplication. You know the general multiplication, children. X into all the terms of this plus y into all the terms of this. They are the two brackets now. From the first bracket, if you take the first term, multiply all the terms of the second bracket, then second term plus y. By taking the plus y, multiply all the terms of the second bracket. That is general multiplication. If you are unable to directly x into x square x cube, like this if you do, if you confuse that, you write one more step, no problem at all. That means take this, in this first bracket, x you can take it, x into take the second bracket. What is given? X square minus xy plus y square. Okay, plus y into what are they? X square minus xy plus y square. Now open this bracket, children, by multiplication of this. General multiplication. You know that x into x square. X into x square how much? X cube minus x into xy. X into x how much? X square. That means x square y plus x into y square xy square plus this one y into x square or x square y. Both will be same, children. You know that x square y minus plus into minus no. Okay, y into xy, y into y square minus xy square plus, because of plus into plus, you know that y into y square how much? Y cube. See, children, before going to the next step, still simplification is there or not? Just you can identify. X cube is there only one time. Here minus x square y, but here plus x square y. X square y both are opposite to each other. One positive, one negative, or one negative, one positive. They will be cancelled, you know that. For example, if we take that minus 2 plus 2, you know that minus 2 plus 2 cancel. What is the answer? 0. So that minus x square y plus x square y can cancel. Here plus xy square minus xy square cancel. What is left here now? X cube. Last one is plus y cube. X cube plus y cube. So this is the result. This is the verification. We can say that whenever you take that, this is LHS, you are taking the RHS. RHS is equal to LHS. That is verified. Simply we can write verified. Okay, now in the same manner, second bit also same thing, same only. Okay, now take that RHS then you can prove it the LHS. What is the second bit? If we need, we will see that. What second bit is given? X cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube equal to what they given? X minus y into, actually this is the identity. Okay now, I told in the before video, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So that according to this, just multiply now children, x into this minus y into this. That only no? That means, see here I multiplied separately like this bracket no. Now you can try to multiply directly. Okay, take this in this first bracket, first term, multiply all the terms. Right? X into x square, x cube, plus into plus, plus. Okay, x into x y square, that means x square y, plus x into y square, x y square. Okay, so if you know very well directly, you can multiply without opening expansion of separately here. So this is the result of when you are multiplying x with this bracket. Similarly, goes to the second term in this. What is the second term is minus y. Minus y multiply with these all the terms. Minus y into x square minus y x square or minus x square y. Minus x square y. Next minus into plus minus. Y into xy square minus xy square. Next minus into plus minus. Y into y square y cube. See before cancellation opposite terms wherever it is there you can see. Plus x square y minus x square y. Plus xy square here minus xy square. What is left here now? X cube minus y cube. If you consider that this is the RHS, by taking RHS, you are getting the LHS. So that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Okay, children, this is this problem. Okay, next I will go to the next problem. Problem number 10, children. 27 factorization. Factorize each of the following. 27y cube plus 125z cube. Question number 10. Directly solutions. What are given? First bit is given 27y cube plus 125z cube. Second one is given 64m cube minus 343n cube. Before you done plus values, no? A plus b whole cube like that. A cube plus b cube otherwise. Then here you will take second bit a minus b whole cube. Just you can see that. What is given? 64m cube. 64m cube minus 343m cube. 343 n cube. See children, both are perfect cube only. That means 64 is perfect cube. What is the cube root of 64 means 4. 4 into 4 into 4. Cube root of 343 means 7. 7 into 7 into 7. 343. So that 64m cube can be written as 4m whole cube. Right children? Minus 343. Perfect cube, how much I told you? 7. Cube root of 343 is 7 now. That means 7n whole cube. Okay, that means this formula is belongs to a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube equal to, actually identity is belongs to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This formula you can utilize. In the previous video, I gave the formulas a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. If I didn't give in that video, then when I am doing these sums, you can utilize. Okay, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now take these values. 64m whole cube, this one. That means 4m whole cube. 64m cube, no. That means 4m whole cube minus b cube. B cube means what is b value? 7n. 7n whole cube. When you are comparing these two terms with this, you know that a place is 4m and b place is 7n. So that 4m whole cube means a cube minus 7n whole cube means b cube. According to that, a minus b. A minus b means what you have to write? 4m minus b. B value how much? 7n. 4m minus 7n. Okay, into. Why I am taking the square bracket? You see, because here simple bracket will become a square. What is a here? 4m. A square means 4m whole square. If you write same simple bracket, you will be confused. That's why I have to show the some difference. A square means 4m whole square plus AB. AB means what here? 4m into how much? 7n. 4m into 7n plus b square. B square means 7n whole square. 7n whole square. This is the one of the bracket. Now you can simplify, children. 4m minus 7n into, now simple bracket you can do, because we will open now these brackets. 4m whole square. 4 square. 4 square means how much? 16. 16m square. 16m square plus here 4m into 7n. Before I told you 4 7s are 28. 28 mn. General multiplication, numericals and then variables. 28 mn plus 7n whole square. 7n whole square means 7 square means how much? 49. No. That means 49n square. So this is the result of this question. Okay. Now children, in the 11th question, they ask you to factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. For this, one of the identity is there. By using that identity, we can say that this problem number 11. See what is given. 27x cube 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz, children, minus 9xyz. See now this one. See, first three terms are perfect cube terms. We can identify that. We can say that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Minus 3abc will come or not, you can say that. So whenever this belongs to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, means it is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus a. That formula will be applicable. Just you can see that whether it is possible or not. See, children, according to the given question, okay, if you take that 27x cube, 27 is the perfect cube. That means cube root of 27 is how much? 3. So that 3x whole cube plus y cube. Y cube means y whole cube. Z cube means z whole cube. That means a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. You will see that 3 into what is a place? 3x. What is b place? Y. What is c place? Z. These three, okay, belongs to the first three terms. Last term only you can see that 3 3s are 9. 9 into x into y into z equal to 9xyz. So it is correct only. No, what formula is applicable in this now? What formula it is? See, it is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to What formula you know? A plus B plus C into somewhat big formula into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Right? Then what this LHS is equal to the given term. It is confirmed now. This expansion. Now RHS you can identify. What is A, what is B, what is C? A value is 3x, you know that. In the B place, B value is y. In C place, C value is how much? Z. So in ABC places, you have to take the 3x, y and z and substitute in this formula. Now we can get it. We can write A plus B plus C. That means what? 3x plus y plus z. 3x plus y plus z into A square. Directly we can write A square. What is A value? 3x. 3x whole square means how much? 9x square plus B square. B is how much here? Y. B square means y square. Y whole square means y square only, no? Plus C square. C is how much? Z. C square means Z whole square. Z whole square means how much, children? Z square. Minus AB. AB. First two terms multiplication. 3x into y. 3x into y. 3xy. 3xy minus BC. Y into Z. Y into Z. YZ minus CA. Z into 3x. 3xz or 3zx. Both will be same. Minus 3xz. So this is the result of this question. So the 10th question is completed. Right? Then I will go to the 11th question. Okay, children.